Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a topic that's both intriguing and highly relevant: how to immigrate to a new country without a job offer. Many individuals aspire to start anew in a different country, but are uncertain about the pathways available without securing employment beforehand. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into various immigration strategies that don't necessitate a prior job offer. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Number 1. Points-based immigration systems. Several countries have implemented points-based immigration systems, allowing individuals to immigrate based on various personal attributes rather than a specific job offer. These systems assess applicants on factors such as age, education, language proficiency, work experience, and adaptability. Let's explore some countries that utilize this approach. A. Canada. Canada introduced its points-based system in 1967, focusing on human capital factors. The system evaluates applicants on criteria including age, education, work experience, and language proficiency in English or French. To qualify for immigration under the Federal Skilled Worker Program, applicants must score a minimum of 67 points out of 100. In 2015, Canada launched the Express Entry system, which manages applications for permanent residence under various economic immigration programs. Express Entry ranks candidates based on the Comprehensive Ranking System (CRS), and those with the highest scores receive invitations to apply for permanent residence. B. Australia. Australia's points-based system, established in 1989, assesses applicants on factors such as age, English language proficiency, skilled employment experience, and educational qualifications. Applicants must submit an expression of interest (EOI) and achieve a minimum points threshold to be invited to apply for a visa. The system is designed to attract individuals who can contribute to Australia's economy and society. C. New Zealand. New Zealand operates a similar points-based system, focusing on factors like age, work experience, qualifications, and job offers. However, it's possible to qualify without a job offer if you have sufficient points in other areas. The system aims to select migrants who can contribute to New Zealand's economic growth. Number 2. Provincial and state nominee programs. Some countries offer regional immigration programs that allow provinces or states to nominate individuals for immigration based on local labor market needs and economic priorities. These programs can provide pathways for individuals without job offers. Canada's Provincial Nominee Program (PNP). Canada's PNP allows provinces and territories to nominate individuals for permanent residence based on their ability to contribute to the local economy. Each province has its own criteria and streams, some of which do not require a job offer. For example, the British Columbia Provincial Nominee Program (BCPNP) offers pathways for skilled workers, international graduates, and entrepreneurs. Certain categories, such as the International Postgraduate Stream, do not require a job offer. Number 3. Entrepreneur and investor visas. Many countries offer immigration pathways for individuals willing to invest in local businesses or start their own enterprises. These programs are designed to stimulate economic growth and create job opportunities. A. United Kingdom. The UK Innovator Visa is aimed at experienced business persons seeking to establish an innovative business in the UK. Applicants must have their business ideas endorsed by an approved body and meet investment requirements. This pathway does not require a prior job offer. B. Australia. Australia's Business Innovation and Investment Program offers visas to individuals with a successful business or investment career who are willing to invest in Australia. The program includes several streams, such as business innovation, investor, and significant investor, each with specific requirements. C. Portugal. Portugal offers the D7 visa, which allows individuals with passive income such as pensions or rental income to move there. Additionally, the Golden Visa program provides residency to those who invest in real estate or create jobs in Portugal. Both options offer pathways to permanent residency and even citizenship over time. Number 4. Family sponsorship and reunification. Family ties can provide pathways to immigration without a job offer. Many countries prioritize family reunification to strengthen social and cultural bonds. A. United States. The U.S. offers family-based immigration visas for immediate relatives of U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents. Eligible relatives include spouses, children, parents, and siblings, depending on the sponsor's status. B. Canada. Canada's Family Class Sponsorship Program allows Canadian citizens and permanent residents to sponsor certain relatives, such as spouses, partners, children, parents, and grandparents for permanent residence. Number 5. Student visas leading to permanent residency. Pursuing education in a foreign country can be a strategic pathway to permanent residency. A. Canada. International students who complete post-secondary education in Canada may be eligible for the Post-Graduation Work Permit Program PGWPP, allowing them to gain Canadian work experience. This experience can contribute to eligibility for permanent residency through programs like the Canadian Experience Class. B. Germany. Germany offers student visas for international students who want to study at German universities. After graduation, students can apply for an 18-month job-seeking visa. If they secure employment, they can transition to a work visa and eventually apply for permanent residency. Number 6. Humanitarian and refugee programs. Individuals facing persecution or humanitarian crises may seek refuge in other countries. A. United Nations Refugee Agency UNHCR. The UNHCR works with countries worldwide to resettle refugees who cannot return to their home countries due to fear of persecution. Each country has specific processes and quotas for refugee resettlement. B. Asylum seekers. Individuals can apply for asylum in a foreign country if they fear persecution in their home country. Asylum processes vary by country and often require legal assistance. Number 7. Digital nomad and remote work visas. Some countries now offer visas for remote workers and freelancers. A. United Arab Emirates UAE. The UAE offers a remote work visa that allows professionals to live in the country while working for an overseas employer. This is a great option for digital nomads who want to experience life in Dubai or Abu Dhabi without a traditional work contract. B. Germany. Germany's freelancer visa Freiberufler visa allows self-employed individuals in fields like IT, writing, and design to live and work in the country. Applicants must prove they have sufficient income and clients. Number 8. Diversity visa lotteries. Some countries offer immigration opportunities through diversity visa lotteries. A. United States. The Diversity Visa DV Lottery, also known as the Green Card Lottery, provides up to 55,000 immigrant visas annually to individuals from countries with low immigration rates to the U.S. The program aims to diversify the immigrant population by selecting applicants through a random lottery system. There are numerous pathways to immigrate to a new country without a job offer, whether through points-based systems, investor visas, family sponsorship, student visas, humanitarian programs, or digital nomad visas. Opportunities exist for those willing to explore their options. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.